Hello and welcome to the Ohio State University's Student Life Disability Services, or SLDS, tutorial on using the Accessible Information Management System, referred to as AIM. Students use AIM to generate their course accessibility letters, which are sent via email to instructors. Students also use AIM to schedule their exams at SLDS. Your role as an instructor is to fill out a testing agreement for each course in which a student requests exam accommodations. If exam accommodations are requested and no testing agreement is on file, a link to the testing agreement is included in the student's course accessibility letter. Instructors will be able to fill out a testing agreement for a course once a student has requested exam accommodations for it. Once a student schedules an exam and there is a testing agreement for that class, Disability Services staff cross-reference student exam requests with testing agreements. Students receive a confirmation email when a request is approved or denied. Disability Services sends consolidated reminder emails to instructors and course coordinators to submit materials for an upcoming exam. Materials uploaded to AIM can be assigned to a specific student or to an entire section. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to manage student accommodation requests using the AIM Instructor Portal. For this example, I am using Google Chrome on a Windows computer. Navigate to our website, slds.osu.edu. Fully open the browser on your device to view all of the horizontal menu items. If you are using a tablet or smartphone, you can find the following information on the drop-down option menu. Hover over the AIM tab or click on the AIM tab and click Instructor Login. Log into AIM using your OSU credentials. This will take you to the Instructor Authentication page, where you will see important information regarding privacy and a FERPA confidentiality statement. Select Continue to view student accommodations. On this screen, instructors can see a table of students by class and most common requests. The abbreviations for the headings of this table are as follows. ADM means the student is approved for attendance and deadline modification. Exam means the student has exam accommodations, and Note means note-taking accommodations. On this screen, instructors can also view individual student letters and generate Excel exports regarding students' accommodations. On the left side of the screen, you can manage all exam information by clicking on Alternative Testing. To submit a testing agreement for a course, select a class section from the drop-down menu, then click the Continue to Specify Alternative Testing Agreement button. By filling out this multiple choice form, you will provide all information necessary for your students to take exams in that section. Once you are finished, click the Submit Alternative Testing Agreement button, and you should see a screen with a green check mark. The completed testing agreement will automatically be applied to all students in that section that have requested exam accommodations. Testing agreements can be copied to another section by clicking the drop-down box next to Select, choosing the class with an agreement filled out, and selecting the class you would like to copy it to next to the Copy To field. Once students have scheduled individual exams, the Alternative Testing tab will enable you to view all students' scheduled times as well as upload the exam materials to our secure AIM server. To upload an exam, check the boxes to the left of all students for whom you would like to upload it, then click Confirm Your Selections, where you can upload the exam file, one file at a time, for the students selected. SLDS also sends reminder emails to instructors with a link for uploading exams. If you have any additional questions, please contact SLDS.